is much better than this. Yep, you're living the
Yan,
dream,
dapat
Mater
yung
boy.
putol-putol. Kasi baka sasabit na naman.
Habang tayo. Tayo bibaba na.
Hindi, tayo kasi bata. Lang.
Piling bata ka pa? Mamuhal ka
Okay,
na.
you're that funny right there.
Ang galing mo.
Mater, I can't. I don't even
Tulotin mo yung nasa side, bebe.
Sugat lang.
Dapat pala ganito na lang at binili.
Fine, stop, okay, all right.
Ganon, ganyan pala yung laman yan.
Parang seafoods, ganito naman.
Ganyan din ba? Palagay ko lahat ng mga ano, ganyan, oh. Naubos daw, oh. Bigyan mo pa ng konti si kapatid na. Bigyan ka ni ate, huwag kang yan.
Gusto mo to? Ito?
Yes?
Okay na. Mayroon ng
Tama na
tinidor.
lang, tama na.
Mayroon ng tinidor mo. Baro si Dada, baro saglit.
Sige na, kain, kain. Mainit pa ito, bebe. Yan, ano. Tulungan mo daw.
Ano lang siya bakit sinundak?
Oh, may balak pa daw.
Natriti pa ako nakakain sa bawal ng ano ko.
Huwag na kasi, anak.
Mater, Tomater, that's who is here to help.
Nawala na nga pala. Hindi.
Hey, Otis! Hey, Mater. Oh, gosh, I'm so sorry. I thought I could make it this time, but
Pag nagkabihon.
Ito, kamatuwa.
smooth like pudding, huh? Ah, who am I kidding? I'll always be a lemon.
Kamay mo.
You leaking oil again. Must be your gasket. Hey, look on the bright side. This is your
Oh,
10th
baka
one this month,
matapon.
so that means it's all
Meron na si
right.
baby
You're
dito.
the only one that's nice to lemons like me, Mater.
Hey, don't sweat it. These things happen to everybody, Otis.
But you never leak oil.
Yeah, but I ain't perfect. Don't tell nobody.
Sige na, kainin ni baby.
Start to show through.
Hey,
Yung kainin
is
mo na.
Lightning McQueen back yet?
Not yet.
Hmm? Ay, ayoko dun lang. Kay dada na lang.
Fourth Piston Cup 4. Wow.
Yeah, we're standing proud of him. I sure wish he'd hurry up and get back.
Ibigay mo ni ate kung ayaw.
We're the best friends on to make
Ano
up.
magkalat?
Good man.
Mater, I'm in no hurry. You ain't going so fast. Welcome home. Good to have you back, honey. Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. But please, listen to see that I kiss it.
Go somewhere?
It's good to be home, everybody.
Nanood ang lahat.
Hey, how far you make it this time, Otis?
Halfway to the county line. Whew.
Not bad, man.
I know, I can't believe it either.
McQueen, welcome back.
Mater, it's so good to see you.
You too, buddy. Oh, man, you ain't gonna believe the things I got planned for us.
Boy, these best friend meetings, they get longer every year.
You ready to have some serious
Huwag na kasi sa akin. Wala na ako.
That looks great.
Wala na naman.
Hindi pa rin nagtaas.
A little more, please. It is free,
Sana,
right?
siya na din.
Here we go. Little more.
Alam siguro nila hindi
Sure.
ako kukunin.
You're getting there. Good, good. There you go. Now that is nice, great.
Okay, boss.
Ganun pa rin. Sa isang word.
The best number
Alisan mo na tayo yung offer nila sa atin. 80,000.
Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod. I really look forward to racing. This is a great opportunity.
Uy, ayoko na
Pleasure is all ours, my friend. You and your team brings excellence and professionalism to this competition.
Someone get the water.
Ha? Hindi. Ang offer na nila sa amin.
Whatever you do.
Mas ano ba?
The
Diba
free
dalawang offer nila sa amin?
pistachio ice cream. It has turned.
Sir Axelrod, I can explain
This is Mater. He's
No, I know him. This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
no, thank you. This trip's been amazing.
Lagay yung kay Bibi